not to actually make them have another financial assistance. Your Excellency, welcome, sir. So how are you? It's good to see you again. Long time.
What do you mean by should stand where? I don't understand. You're doing your work and doing your work.
We came to greet both of you. That's why I was asking, like, your wife didn't know that I've known you long time. When we used to harass you when you come to defend your budget. So how are you, sir? Good to see you again. Thank you. So nice to see you. We came in because Mrs. Buhari sent us. Before we want to go out for campaign proper, we said it's best for us to visit every state that had one devastation or the other and try to offer the little help we can give, because it can never be too much. So what we brought, we told Her Excellency to, help us this, but because we women are very good at that. I know you have a lot to show her. So So we told her, and then we expect. I believe in people recapitalizing their businesses. Yes, because it's very, very important. We can give them food, give them rice, but that's a meal. But when we give them something to trade with, it goes a long way. So we wish you all the very best. We prayed for this day, and Mrs. Shetima is here. Aja Shetima, she's here. So that so she's here as well. So we are both here.
Your is my friend.
Yes, we're very good allies. So they know each other. So it's me that your wife is meeting for the first time, and he was lost looking. I said, well, she'll get to love me. So she got to love me. Because you know me
I'm not actually meeting you for the first time, but we are meeting this close for the first time.
And you are our pastor, so we listen to our pastor.
Thank you. We've already prayed for your state. Well with you. And then we said the next time, and I was telling Reverend Father, I said, I told you, that my uncle, Daily Bookshop. Yeah, did I tell you the time he used to come to me? So I was actually calling the son now. The time I came here was when he was alive. I was in high school. So this is my second time of coming to Makodi. So it's like home. I felt I felt the nostalgia that I wanted to come back visit. So I'm really glad that I had the opportunity, but it's just unfortunate it's on a different mission. But still, I called the son Tunde, and I said, why didn't I tell him? I said, well, don't worry. And my uncle's wife, I think my late uncle's wife is still here. He got married to Boko women. Yeah. Yes. One died, he married another one. So you see, Nigeria, we are just into each other, we're just one. And we have to be a Nigerian first before we start doing the rest. So we came here on that basis. And we came to our brothers and sisters.
Where you want me to go?
And see how we can.
Where you want me to go?
So God bless you. I wish you all the very best.
We appreciate you. We honor you. We appreciate you. We bless you. Thank you for paying this visit.
This is my time.
We deeply
She needs to be in the middle there.
appreciate. And God bless all of you for finding time to visit us in our trying movement. And we pray that God will help all of us to achieve desire for our people.
Let me move back.
Thank you very much. Like you said, Dele was a great man here in Benue State as pupil of primary school. Secondary school to patronize the bookshop. And thank you very much, and thank you for spending time to at least pay this visit. We're grateful. And I want to assure you that all that you have provided will be utilized for the good of the state, and to assure you that we remain committed to a peaceful coexistence. The challenges we have in our country today will require efforts, irrespective of party affiliation, to work together and support it to make sure we have a better Nigeria. So congratulate you, congratulate your husband for emerging a candidate. But like I always say, John 3:27, a man can receive nothing except it's given to him from above. If God desires, he'll be there. Nobody will stop him. So, thank you. We made reverence earlier. We here we believe that Reverend Fathers should do the meeting in the church. Please. Not politics. Our politicians to do the politics. But he is here today, so we receive him.
Your Excellency, Your Excellency, now I'm a pastor too.
He's my friend.
I'm a pastor.
He's my friend.
We want to take the shot.
I'm an ordained assistant pastor.
Allow us politicians to do politics.
I'm an ordained assistant pastor, sir.
Father was here before. So, thank you very much. God bless you. And thank you for coming.
Thank you. We have this presentation too. You want us to?
Yes. Yeah, out there.
You want to come behind? Excuse. You want to pass?
They are pushing.
Sorry, they
I said where is my money?
He has gone out. Is it good?
Thank you very much.
Before. Okay. I'm just stand there now. I'm there for my note. Shima.
You know where the sun is, right? I see the
So all these things can shoot. Let's move back. Excuse me.
You know the nothing show. Okay, yes. Photographers, no call like
Is that easy? Let's come this way so we can see everything involved. Yeah, let's come. Excuse me.
This sound, let's open up. Media, let's open up. Media, let's open up. Open up. Open up. Media. Come back.
We will grow. Everyone will get chance now. So we see space there.
I need that. Open up. So you are blocking. Open up, snap and go.
Thank you very much. I think
Snap and come out.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The items. Bring it close now. Where's the PS? Where's the PS system?
Candidates of APC, my dear sister, Her Excellency, former President of the State, the wife of the Vice President, the wife of the all excellencies here.
Give me the code.
I wish to thank our visitors who have come here on a solidarity visit to reach us at this time at a trying moment in the lives of our people, mostly those who, or particularly those who are affected by the policies. Let me begin by acknowledging Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Nation, our dear mother, Dr. Mrs. Buhari, who called me a few days back to sympathize with me on what has befallen our state. We know that the flood issue is happening almost in so many states. For her having the mind and the concern to send relief materials to our people is something we are not taking for granted. she did not only express her sympathy, but she went ahead and sent representatives to bring items to us. I am most grateful, and I also wish to thank Her Excellency Tinubu, who has also given her support on behalf of the team she has come with to support the victims of the flood. I wish to, on behalf of the good people of Benue State, particularly those that are affected, to thank you so very much for this kind gesture. It is our prayer that God Almighty that brought you here safely will take you back to your various destinations. Amen. It is also my prayer that God Almighty will strengthen you and increase you in multifold to extend this similar gesture to other people that may be in dire need of your help. Thank you very much, and we appreciate your visit.
How the thing turn upside down? The thing fall. How it turn upside down?
Yes,
Put my own. You never
clear the way.
Come on, what my equal can I? In a big one. We in a big one.
What is it? No, that's why not. Please stay calm as we take you to the next event. Thank you.